Hi everybody. Well, today we are going to check vocabulary, adjective order. As you know, well, in Spanish you can use different adjectives to describe a noun, ¿no? Por ejemplo, ustedes pueden decir, o bueno, me han escuchado decir, mis alumnos inteligentes, brillantes. Ahí estoy ocupando dos adjetivos para el sustantivo que son estudiantes. Pues bien, en inglés también hay sustantivos que podemos describir utilizando varios adjetivos, solo que en inglés se debe de respetar un orden. Y para eso, pues bueno, les aconsejo que se aprendan esta palabrita que es osas com, que son las iniciales de cada una de las categorías. Entonces vamos con la explicación. Okay, here is the order that we generally follow in English to describe a noun. Osas com. No, the first one, it's about opinion. When you are talking about opinion, the description, you can use adjectives like pretty, horrible, lovely. The next one is the letter S for size. Adjectives like huge, tiny, big, little are the ones that you can use in this category. The next one is the letter A for age. Old, young, new are the ones you can use in this section. The letter S is the next one for shape. Round, square, triangular. Let's continue with the next. Letter C for the color. Black, red, yellow. Next one, O, origin. British, Chinese, French. The next one is the letter M for material. Woolen, wooden, silk. And the last one is the letter P for purpose. You use paper for writing, or you have to use shoes for school. This is the purpose. Okay. And then you use some determiners, words like a, or some, or several. Go at the beginning. We also put adverbs like really and very at the beginning after the determiners. There are some examples. But before this one, remember that when we use more than one adjective before a noun in English, we often put the adjectives in a specific order. That's why I'm explaining this part. It can sound quite strange if the adjectives are in a different order. However, there are two things to remember when you use the adjective order. First, it's very rare to use more than 3 adjectives before a noun. Second, sometimes the order can be changed, usually to emphasize something. So let's continue with the examples. Here, the first one. Let me check so that I can write or type in the first example. I need a determiner first. So I am going to use a. You can use adverb, really, very. I'm going to use very. I carried a berry. Now the adjectives, I'm going to use small, black, suitcase. This is the noun. So I carried, determiner, adverb very, 2 adjectives, small, that is for the size, black, that is for color, that's why small is before black, and the noun suitcase. Let's continue with the second one. They have some, this is the determiner, adjective old, that is for H. French, that is the one for origin. And a noun, paintings. They have some old French paintings. Third one, she was wearing. Determiner a new. New is the adjective for H. Red, adjective for color. Silk, adjective for material. Dress is the noun. She was wearing a new red silk dress. Next one, that is determiner A. I'm going to use an adverb. Really. Adjective, ugly. Ugly to give my opinion. Wooden. Adjective for material. And the noun is chair. That is a really ugly wooden chair. Let's continue. We both, determiner a, adjective new for H, round. This adjective is for shape. Kitchen, purpose, and the noun table. We bought a new round kitchen table. And the last one, there are determiner some. New adjective for H. Chinese adjective for origin. And the noun students. Students. There are some new Chinese students. And a complement if you want in the class. And that's it. This is about adjective order. Okay? So, what is main idea here? The main idea is to pay attention in the order. Because, for example, if in the first example, I carried a very small black suitcase. If you said I carried in past, I carried a very, and you change the order of the adjectives. First the color, black, and then the size, adjective, small, suitcase. That one is incorrect. Because in the order, in the correct order, is like this. First, the shape, and then the color. So you have to respect the correct order from the adjectives. So let's continue with practice.